So today we'll be unboxing a Sabre V2 Pro Wireless MG. This is the magnesium alloy gaming mouse from Corsair alongside the MM Pro Large Control mousepad from Corsair. So first, let's go ahead and unbox this mousepad. So this is indeed my first time unboxing this mousepad or this kind of mousepad, and I'm so excited. This thing is so nice. This is my first gray mousepad, by the way. Everything I got is like either black and white or black and gold or some crazy designs like the Call of Duty Black Ops edition. So this is not a full-size desk mat, but this is still very, very large. And I'm pretty sure this can fit most setups. So this mousepad is engineered for pro level control. It has a polyurethane base for stopping power, which is gonna be kind of cool. I look, you wanna test it out with a new mouse. And it has sloped edges, so which is pretty cool. And of course, it is also hand washable. So let's go ahead and unbox a magnesium alloy gaming mouse. All right, got my handy dandy box cutter. All right, how does one open this bad boy? Okay, solid packaging. I don't know if you guys saw my video where I unboxed the Galleon 100 SD, and I mentioned that the packaging is kind of similar to when I unboxed the Sabre V2 Pro ultralight wireless mouse. It comes in a nice little cloth bag, and it seemed like this indeed did the exact same thing. But before we look at this, let's go ahead and see what's inside. Comes with a alcohol pad. Cool. I'm pretty sure this is for the stickers that comes to the side, right? You can customize it. Let's go ahead and see. Yep, it comes with some decals, some stickers you can use to have some extra texture on your mouse. So this is pretty cool. I like the fact that they included this in the box as well. Of course, you also got some skates. What else we got inside the box? We have the handy dandy Batman dongle. So this dongle is pretty cool. So I'm currently using the Sabre V2 Pro Ultra Lightweight Wireless Mouse. I gotta make sure I say the full name so you guys know the difference. You can clip it to the desk mat or your mouse pad like this, and it'll be wireless. So you have your mouse, it doesn't go anywhere, so there is no like long cord you can use to, of course, use a mouse. All right, the main star of this video, the magnesium alloy gaming mouse from Corsair. It does feel more beefy or beefier than its prior successor, right? The Sabre V2 Pro Ultra Lightweight mouse. This also has 100 hours of battery life in comparison to the Sabre V2 Pro Ultra Lightweight mouse that has 70 hours. So that's something to think about. This is the ultra lightweight version, and this is the magnesium alloy version. And the weight is so daggone different. And there you have it. This is the full unboxing of the Sabre V2 Pro Wireless MG. This is the magnesium alloy gaming mouse from Corsair that comes with a USB cord, a wireless dongle, some extra skates, and a sticker so you can go ahead and customize your mouse to your liking. And of course, this is the MM Pro Extra Large Control mousepad from Corsair. And this video is also sponsored by Corsair, so make sure you guys go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and also use code Trevoir at checkout to make sure you guys take advantage of those discounts. And of course, there's a link down in the description so you can go ahead and check out all the equipment that I unboxed in this video. And of course, guys, until next time, peace.